Hello traders, today is the 26th of September 2010 and happy weekend to you all. The chart here is the daily chart of gold, the gold metal, the commodity gold. Okay, the precious metal. This is the chart of the precious metal, and I have here the daily chart of the gold. Okay, I want to show you only this section of August 2010 all the way to today. Okay, so this is the movement of August 2007 all the way to today, and the gold was flying, as you can see in this channel here. And maybe we can learn something together about how you can use a channel when you are trading. Okay, the first thing that you need to pay attention to when you are trading a channel is to watch the slope of the channel. The question is the slope rising or is the slope falling? In this case, as you can see, is flying, rising fast. Okay, the sharper it turns to the upside, okay, like a rocket, okay, the stronger is the bullish momentum. So just looking at this channel, the direction of the channel, okay, is telling us straight away that this metal is flying, is going up. No question about it. Now, the second thing that you look at when you are looking at a channel, okay, is to look at the two sections of the channel. There is an upper section which I divide this channel myself into because I just draw this now by locating the high of the 2 point here, this point and this point. I draw this line here and I locate two low, this low here and this low here and this low here, okay, and I draw it and I divide it by 2, which is the middle line here, and you can see that the price is respecting the middle line here. And the second thing that you check is to see which part of the channel the price is riding in. If the price is on the upper part of the rising channel, we know that it's a very strong bullish momentum. And if the channel is rising but the price is switching back to the lower part of the channel, we know that that bullish momentum is weakening. I repeat, when we look at the channel, we want to see whether it's rising fast. Yes, in this case, it's rising fast, so the momentum is bullish. The second thing we look at is the price in the upper part or the lower part of the channel, dividing the channel in two. If the price is on the upper part of the channel, the bullish is very bullish, okay. But if the channel is rising, but the price switch from the upper part of the channel back to the lower part of the channel, we will know that the bullish momentum is weakening. It does not mean that the momentum is finished, but it's just telling that the momentum is weakening. As you can see right here, the price was riding in this channel here, okay, and then it pulled back to the lower part here, okay, and when even outside this channel here, which people will pay attention to, only to come back in right there, okay. So it resumed the upward movement, but something very interesting is happening here. After the price was in this channel for a while, in the upper part of the channel, as you can see here, it went below it, okay, went below it first time, second time it went below it, and even went outside the channel. It's telling us that the bullish momentum is just hanging on big time, okay, and then it went back inside the channel, but this time look, it's not riding out in the upper part of the channel. If you look carefully here, it was just riding at the edge of the middle line here, as you can see here. And those candles are not very bullish. If you look at those candles here, you need to look at the size of the candle also, okay. Check the size of the candle, what kind of size we got here. These are not very convincing bullish candle. Don't tell me that this is bullish, this is not bullish, this is not bullish, this one also is not bullish, not even this one is not bullish, this one is not bullish, this is a bit, this is not very bullish. But it does not mean that the gold will turn around and come down. But as a trader, we pay attention to what is going on in this channel, because it's a bullish channel, but what is happening inside the channel is not very bullish as it was in this zone here. If you follow those candles here up to this level here, they are quite bullish candle. Everybody can agree that they are quite bullish, and they are on the upper part. If I extend my trend line here, this middle line trend line here, you will see that carefully, just drawing it roughly here, you will see that during the month of August, it was very bullish month for this gold. You see the price on the upper part, okay? Strong bullish here. You agree with me? And I pull below it, find a support here, but this time it's not very bullish. Now it's struggling, as you can see, because a lot of people has made a lot of money in this gold market. But it does not mean that gold is going to come down. But we must pay attention to the information that we have in this channel so that when we are trading, if we are already in this trade, to push our stop loss to safety, okay, and to monitor carefully this gold market to avoid some nasty pullback, okay. That's the only thing that we need to remember. So I hope you learned something from this video, how you can apply the channel, okay, in order to measure the strength of the momentum and the change in the momentum itself, and also to analyze the size of the candle and to know exactly what is going on. It's not sufficient for the price to be on the upper part of the candle. If it's on the upper part of the candle, but we do not have a strong bullish candle, that's not very bullish. And the same thing if the price is on the lower part of the channel and it's not very bearish, it's not showing us a bearish tendency. So we must consider all those things in order to observe and have a clear-cut observation and know exactly what is going on with this gold metal. In my view, my view is not a sign, my view is not a certainty. In my view is that the best thing for this market of gold is to give a healthy pullback, okay, a healthy pullback before resuming again the upward movement. That will be excellent for buy, because a lot of people consider this gold market to be overbought right now. So a lot of investors are not so enthusiastic to buy it anymore. The smart money always like to buy very cheap, as you know, so they will be salivating for the price to come down a bit, okay, and then if it come back and find a support, they will be happy to rejoin the bullish party, because we know that gold will continue to rise for a while, okay, but a healthy pullback is due right now, okay. So we will be watching carefully this gold market, especially this month of September that is going to end. Next week will be the end. Next Thursday will be the end of September. Watch carefully on Thursday what is likely to happen. By Wednesday night, start watching the gold market carefully to see whether there will be a change, because we are switching back to a new month, which is October, usually a very bearish month, okay. So we will observe carefully what is likely to happen here. This is not a solicitation to buy or sell gold, nor an offer to buy or sell gold. This is only for educational purpose. What I will do here on this chart here is to draw my Fibonacci line. The movement has started here. I will draw it all the way back to where it is now. Okay, as you can see, a lot of traders are using the Fibonacci, so we use it also. It's free, okay. So right here, this is my Fibonacci drawing on the chart. So the best thing for gold to do, if I show you clearly from my chart, okay, is for gold to give us a healthy pullback. The best one to come all the way to this 38% Fibonacci retracement level, where we have a kind of support level here, as you can see here, in order to continue the movement again to the upside, okay, to this level here, where I believe we will find a resistance there before turning around down. That will be the excellent scenario that will make excellent money for us, okay. But this is not a sign, this is not a forecast, this is just a technical analysis in order to examine exactly what is happening with the gold metal, okay. So we will expect, we will watch carefully the price and this middle line of this trend, this here channel here. As you can see, it crossed below it big time here, but it found again a support, because a lot of bad news coming non-stop from United States. But we know that the economy is improving. It's not as bad it was in 2008. People should be aware of that. A lot of people lost their job. A lot of people start gaining their job. So things are not so bad like it was in 2008. things are improving. That's for sure. Things are improving. It's not as well as it was before. So we start, the smart money start buying. So we start looking. It does not mean that the bearish season has finished. No, the bearish season still has a bit to do. That's what I'm talking about. So it must pull back the gold and then pull again up. When it's pulling up again for the second time, if it reach this level, we expect it to find a resistance there that will confirm to us that the bearish season is finished. It will be finished when gold has displayed a double top and the Dow Jones Index has displayed a double bottom. Very important to confirm the validation of support and resistance level in this market is so important. Till next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. As always, this is not a science.